Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Watch Pro tips step by step clearly. To begin, wake your Apple Watch by raising your wrist or tapping the display. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access the control center. Here, you can quickly toggle features like Do Not Disturb, Airplane Mode, and more. To customize your watch face, press firmly on the display and swipe left or right to choose different styles. Tap Edit to personalize complications and choose apps that provide quick information. To check notifications, swipe down from the top of the watch face. You can scroll through messages and alerts by swiping or turning the digital crown. Use the digital crown to zoom in or out on apps and to scroll through menus. To access your apps, press the digital crown once to open the app grid or list. To rearrange your apps, press and hold until they jiggle, then drag them to your desired location. You can quickly launch your favorite apps by adding them to the dock. Press the side button once to bring up the dock, where you can see and access your frequently used apps. For fitness tracking, open the Activity app to monitor your daily movement, exercise, and standing goals. To start a workout, open the Workout app and choose from a variety of activities. Track your heart rate by navigating to the Heart Rate app, where you can see real-time data. For breathing exercises, open the Breathe app, which guides you through mindful breathing sessions. To interact with incoming calls, tap the green answer button or slide to reject calls. Use Siri by raising your wrist and saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing and holding the side button. You can ask Siri to send a message, set reminders, or check the weather. To send messages, open the Messages app, select a conversation, and use voice dictation or preset replies. If you have a favorite contact, add them to your watch for quick messaging. To listen to music, open the Music app and select songs or playlists from your library. You can control music playback from your watch when connected to Bluetooth headphones. To stay organized, use the Calendar app to view upcoming events and set reminders. For navigation, open the Maps app and input your destination for step-by-step directions. Be sure to regularly update your Apple Watch for the latest features and enhancements. For battery management, access the control center to enable power reserve mode when needed. Lastly, customize your notifications in the Watch app on your iPhone for enhanced management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.